Hey everybody, today I'm working on a 12 by 24 and this is a linen canvas, and I am going to just be having fun today. I have been doing so many videos on experimenting videos and stuff, so I just kind of wanted to just do a fun video. And as you can see, I got this really big spatula, which is exactly what it is. It's from Wilton and it's called the Really Big Spatula. My husband found it for me because the other one that I have is smaller, and this one has, I don't know if you can see, it has sides on it that kind of go all the way down. My other one, the paint was kind of spilling off the sides, so I'm hoping this one works. And the colors that I'm going to be working with today, I've made a lot, and I had made a couple paintings recently with these colors, and I have a bunch of it, so I'm going to use it. And this first one is from Loft, and it's metallic cobalt blue. And then I've got this orangey red, and it's Liquitex Basics, and that one is cadmium light red hue. And then I decided to mix up some bronze, and that's from DecoArt. And then of course I have my FolkArt white pearl. I just ordered like 20 bottles, just came in the mail, so I'm excited about that. And I've got that in my handy dandy bottle. So I am going to just move this out of the way. I'll get my gloves on and I'll be right back. Alright, so got my cup, and I'm just going to start with a little bit of the pearl white in the bottom, and then I'm going to go ahead and put the cobalt in there, and then some bronze, I think I'm going to put a little bit of this pearl white again, and now we'll go with this orange. Well, it says it's light red hue. It's very orange looking. I really like this color though, a lot. Alright, I think we'll go with some more bronze. Just a little bit in between there. I'm not sure what that's gonna do. We'll find out though. Okay. A little bit more cobalt. Alright. Let me see how cool that looks in there. Alright, so what I'm going to do now is I'm just going to pour a little bit of the pearl white onto my spatula. Little bubbles there. And I'm just going to flip it on. Let it set for just a second. You can see it's already starting to come out. Let's put a little bit right there. Okay, so now I'm just gonna lift the end of the cup just a little bit. Whoa, just a little. I have a tendency of it coming out too fast. Okay. Alright, so now I'm just going to go around it with my white, my pearl white. Got some pretty cells. I don't have any silicone in here. Okay guys, so it's been about half an hour and I will take you in for a close-up. Now, I didn't add any silicone. I don't remember if I said that earlier, but you see I got a bunch of natural cells popping through, and I just really like when I'm just painting. I don't have any expectations. The paint just flows and it just turns out beautiful. These colors mixed well together. I never really liked orange. I'm sure you guys have heard me say that in previous videos, but I love it with cobalt. And bronze is another one of my favorite colors, so this is one of my go-to combinations. And also I did leave some negative space. I really like it. Some of you probably are like, but I think it works with this painting. Alright, so I'm going to let it dry and then I will be back. Alright, stay tuned. Okay guys, so here's the painting all dry. It's quite stunning. I think it just turned out beautiful. I really, really like it. And I'm going to take you in so you can get a closer look. Just look at all those details and the way the colors blended. I love it. And I just wanted to let you guys know I've gotten quite a few comments about my paintings being for sale. And I do have an Etsy shop. I have a Facebook page, Instagram. But I'm not really good at listing everything. Like, everything's not in my Etsy store. So if there's a painting that you like, that you're interested in purchasing, you can email me at tracylreed@gmail.com and let me know which one. And also, I'm just kind of working up the courage to do a live auction. So hopefully that happens in the near future. Alright. So thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my channel, check out all my links in my description, and have a great day.